Zion Aola. Mr. Aola, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with evading arrest. You're also charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. On both of those cases, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Judge, on May 30th, 2024, officers observed 2 black males walking out of Bedford Place Homeowner Association Park, which is closed after sunset. Officers made contact with the defendant and another male who advised they did not know the park was closed. Defendant kept reaching near his waistband and pocket. Officers attempted to conduct a Terry frisk on the defendant, resulting in the defendant running. Foot pursuit lasted approximately 25 to 30 yards. While running, a black handgun fell from the defendant's waist area. Defendant stated the gun belonged to his mother. Officers recovered a Glock 23, loaded with 1 bullet in the chamber and 7 in the magazine. 15 additional bullets were found inside defendant's book bag, and an extra magazine containing 18 bullets, a total of 41 bullets. Defendant's father arrived on scene and stated the defendant's mother is the one who purchased the weapon for the defendant. Defendant is 19 years of age. He has 2023 unlawful carrying of a weapon, non-suit as a juvenile, no out-of-county criminal record.
Here's the rub. What's he doing? Walking while black? What's he doing? What's he doing wrong? Was he under arrest? I mean, all I see is that they go up to him and they just start searching, right?
I believe.
Walking while black. Mr. Aola, I'd be very careful. You know, where you go, what you do may not end up well for you. I'm going to find no probable cause on this case now.
Thank you,
Mr. Aola, be careful. Just take a seat for me in the back, please. Don't leave. I found no probable cause. Guys, keep it down, please. I found no probable cause. Your cases have been dismissed. The only thing I'm going to counsel you is to be careful. Don't go to parks after hours. Otherwise, they're just going to harass you. You understand? Okay. Good luck, man. You're free to go.
Garcia? Hi, I'm more important than this one.
What?
No, it's not high after plea. I would never mind.
No one.
Do the joke.
No one's more important than Laura.
Oh, I know.
He'll be asking me for help soon, I'm sure.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. Did you say Gutierrez?
No, Garcia. I'm sorry.
Garcia. Jorge Luis Garcia. Mr. Garcia, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. What have you guys worked out?
32, 32.
Say it again.
32 days to 32 days.
32 days in jail with credit for the 32 days that you've already done. You know, you have a prior theft from 2010. This here makes 2. What happens on the next one? You know, you're smiling like you're having a good time, little bunnies jumping in the woods. This is not a happy moment for you, Mr. Garcia, you know, because you have a lot to lose. Have you been to the pen before?
Sir.
Yeah. So what that means is that they can continually enhance you, perhaps to even a 5 to life if you steal a pack of freaking gum. Your attitude tells me a lot. It tells me how much you think of this, but you know, it's all fun and games until someone gets a 15-year sentence. And that's the problem. When people look you up, you think they're going to give you any leeway? No. You're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 32 days in jail with credit for the 32 days that you've done. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. Like I said, this now makes 2. If you pick up any more theft cases, you'll be charged with a felony offense. And then if you have any other state jails, any other 3rd degrees, they'll just keep enhancing you until the day is long. How do you plead to the offense, sir? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty, sentence you to the agreement, I will roll your court costs and good luck to you, sir. Thanks. Thank you, Lord.
He missed his court date on Friday.
Oh, Mr. Stewart.
We would have come on Monday, but my wife gave birth Monday, so we're here now.
Mr. Mercer, I absolutely love you. I truly do. And, congrats on the baby. But, I don't care if you have Jesus here, Mr. Stewart. Don't matter who you have here. You've picked up case after case after case. And now you continually miss court as well? I don't think so. The time has come for you to stay with me. It goes with you. Don't think so. Please.
That's a note I see from the
So
robbery.
both thefts here, one theft is being dismissed, the other failure to ID is being dismissed, and she's pleading to one theft.
Correct.
Heck of a deal, Ms. Harris. That is a screaming deal. I really, truly hope you appreciate this because, you pick up any more criminal cases, they're going to look at this. Do you think that they're going to bend over backwards to help you in the future? No. At some point, the DAs, they're like, you know what? She's just not getting it. She's a public menace and we're just going to throw the book. It's only a matter of time. Not only that, with your history, what are you, 24?
20.
You're
Too young.
20?
Yes, yeah. So I told her, you do something else. So if she steals something else, I'm gonna kill her. That's what I told her. Not literally.
It's not a funny thing. I'm telling you now. Having this robbery, people will look you up when you're trying to get a job, you're trying to get a school, you want to get loans, you want to buy a car. When they see this, they're going to scrutinize you like crazy. And they're going to say, well, why on earth are we going to help this person when we know that she could potentially steal from us? You're 20 and you're repeatedly shooting yourself in the foot. Where do you go to school? Do you go to school? What do you do in life?
I graduated, but I was working at the hospital.
What happened here with the robbery?
Yeah, it was a robbery. It wasn't even theft. What happened was a girl was stealing something out of the store. Not her. She thought, the woman thought my client was stole something. She never even went to the store. She busted my client's window with a shovel. The woman that worked in the store in the front window. And then once she did it to my client, it's all on videotape. My client got out and had started a fight with her. So it was never a robbery at all.
Was this one of those Bed Bath and Beyond or Bath and Body Works cases?
Where robbery? It was Dollar General.
At a Dollar General?
Yes.
Really? You're gonna pick up a robbery at a Dollar General? Come on, man. Really? You know what? Life is so short. This life can either be great or it can be completely miserable. And the more cases you pick up, you will never get a job. And let me tell you, this life sucks without money, without a car. It really blows if you ain't got some kind of resources. Straighten up, high right, because you're only gonna get so many chances, Ms. Harris. So now you're only going to end up with the step, which is, this is a sweetheart deal. I truly hope you appreciate it. If I see you back here, I'm telling you, I'm going to bring the pain. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this. Ms. Harris, from now on, you will be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail if you ever pick up another case. No matter what it is. You also must understand is this theft is an enhanceable offense. If you pick up more, you pick up a third one, you're looking at felony charges, years instead of days. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty. I will follow the agreement. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Yana. Thank you. All right.
I just had a brief question, Judge.
Shoot.
So I was on scrolling YouTube the other day.
That's not.
Okay. I just didn't know if you
Yeah.
were aware that that was existing. All right, thank you, Judge.